Hello students. In this video, we will learn about clothes and materials. Have you ever wondered why we wear different clothes or what they are made of? Let's get started. We wear different clothes depending on the weather. In hot weather, we choose light and breathable materials like cotton to stay cool. When it's cold, we wear thicker items like wool sweaters to keep warm. If it rains, we use raincoats and waterproof boots to stay dry. But clothes do more than just keep us comfortable, they also let us express ourselves. Our outfits can reflect our personal style and cultural heritage. Clothes are made from various fibers which can be natural or man-made. Natural fibers are found in nature, while man-made fibers are created in labs. Examples of natural fibers include cotton, which is soft and comfy and comes from cotton plants. Jute, which is strong and durable and is great for bags and ropes. Wool, which is warm and comes from sheep. Silk is a beautiful fabric that comes from silkworms. Examples of man-made fibers include nylon, which is strong and is used in stockings and sports gear. Acrylic, which looks like wool and is used for sweaters. Polyester, which is lightweight and easy to care for. Now, here is a question for you. What is a type of natural fiber that comes from sheep? Please share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 3 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.